So you told us boyfriend and two sang and you
Since after lockdown.
Hey, sanibonani bafethu, it's your boy Smazi. Chupo namasweet amaningi oshoda ngomkhaba. Sise rooftop bafethu siyabona ukuthi ubani ubhizi nobani kanti umuntu kabani. Bafethu bangibhalele kada. Jita uthi ungapha Barrett side ngizomuza istori sakhe ekhala uthi icherry yakhe menzela izinto eziningi. Mara bafethu I won't say much about it. So let's go and check ukuthi kwenzakalani, ukhala ngani, singamsiza kanjani. I still need to call u1030D. Azoba ibounce. Ewe into enjalo. So yeah bafethu, we out.
Kwavele nyama msipha negazi wabunjwa mina ndoda wakisha wena mina sithando sami
So bafethu niyabona nani sengi side of Barrett bafethu ngicela ngidlula kada bo membership kuya sanitizer yonke into safe grand mara bafethu ngenathi ne so asingibheke lo mjida uthini usenathi ngimuzo ukuthini khala ngani ngimsiza kanjani niyazi bafethu si on ke mase kuso we don't stop bafethu ma entanglements maningi kada
umsisi wami tambo lama tambo
uye lo mjida EQ uwe lo muntu mfethu thathingiza kalapha yabo endoda uthini ukhamba kanjani ugrand umnandi mfethu mfethu ngiyakubona la kuma WhatsApp uyakhala mfethu kunini usibhalela ngibona ngama message ukuthi hayi uwe mfethu ukhala uthini mfethu kwenzakalani njalo
ngakhala ndoda ngakhala yo
sure
bangitsholela so yabo
sure
icherry yami precious
sure
besizwana vele from first year yabo
ngiyakuzwa
then recently so ngoba sibuyile vele kwi lockdown
yeah.
Since ngimsuspect yabo mana vele la res vele acava ukuthi ama visitor wangini yabo
sure njengoba kuyi corona so
ngingamsola ngivala ngiyamfonela akabambi ifoni akenzi so ngithe vele ungisize vele ngimbambe vele once because since ngimsuspect lo muntu
ngiyakuzwa njalo mara ntana ngifuna ukukutshela one thing yabona ne because manje ngidile nama cases aso abhaya manje vele during this lockdown ngibonile ukuthi bantu ba busy especially the girls yo abazibekanga phansi ayibo into enjalo so mawufikela kimi mfana ufike ekugcineni mfethu yabona shoot manje ngifuna ukuthi ngathi mase ngicalile nespan sami uthi hayi Smazi ima kancane ayibo
ngivele ngifuna vele umuntu uzongisiza ngento lena
ngiyakuzwa okay mfana yithi ngizokusiza ke ne amarodo ngizowabeka ashaya ispan sabo ngiphezulu kwamafoni niyazi bafethu rooftop siyabona ukuthi ubani ubhizi nobani untanga ngizomsiza kada check ukuthi kwenzakalani khambani kanjani bafethu uyatshola 99 njami
alright
ngizokuthinta ne mangikuthinta wena uyavela ngisuke sengiphethe evidence kanje manje athi ngoshaya ispan sami awe kusebafethu asishayeni ispani sibiyelene emuva nizwile untanga uyakhala ukhala ngocherry wakhe asenzeni into right bafethu during lockdown ubufebe abstopi instead ama entanglements maningi abhaya
Lontwana ngiyambona at the corner vele ntwana lo yajola ntwana xola ntwana yami ngithi bola it's the low life for the is ain't loyal at the night time yeah we partying yeah we clubbing some are loving some are fucking most are cheating we turn nothing into something you know how it is nigga at the night time hey yo bitch man I'm sober tryna just control her find you at the corner hey I know you don't just love me yeah you need my moolah you a gold digger hey never lie to me cause you know I can see you hey, never try that please cause my man I'm sober
Ngisiba fethu uya back again umjida ngibizele kada for a special reason and kada akhlala icherry yakhe yabo ekuseni mfethu zwakala ngada zwakala mfethu khamba kanjani
sure
ugrand
angina
ugrand mfethu ngibizele kada uyabona sikada akhlala icherry yakhe kada
kwenzakalani vele wa
shoot manje mfethu ehlisa ivoice bakada mfethu ayibona into enjalo bakada
ubani man
ngiyakutshela icherry yakhe kada mfethu epansa let's see evidence sale ngimkhombisa lo mjita lo uthi hayi kuyapeta ekuse boy uyabona la
akusiko la period la
ikhona kada shit manje
yibo boyithu la
yibo boyithu bebangale phezulu yibo into enjani
yo akusile ntwana eveti le
yibo
ile ntwana eveti
le la ngekene
uvetise
sure ngathi shabo ma design on something
and bafakena la mask la unokunyambuza ithatha le mask yakhe
sure ngiyakutshela
ngempela lo muntu
shit manje yami uthini wena manje asiye no
yo
because mina ngiyabakena ukuthi bakuphi no so bouncer already seba mfethu should now it's going down siyavaya i-confrontation that's why mfethu so ba confront mfethu sharp
she want it bad pull up she want it bad.
Frankly, I'm far from complaining. Look, I know young phone, she's up and she hanging. Look at the way she be texting me. Look at the way she be calling on me. Hey, I told my niggas I'ma cover. Told my niggas I'ma do it right. Told my niggas I'ma give it the magic.
Get out of no, hey, baba. Hey, membership. Hi man, member. Une visita la. Mfethu ubani igama lakho? Ubani igama lakho mfethu? Paparazzi. Ubani igama lakho mfethu? Ubani igama lakho mfethu? Precious. Pega. I-boyfriend yakho le, i-boyfriend yakho mfethu. Isibhalele i-boyfriend yakho ifuna wena yabo wena ugada asiyeni ngapha ekhishini sokwazi ukuthi kusikhulume kahle emfethu ngibani igama lakho wena futhi ufika kanjani kayi wenzani kayi kwenzakalani kayi mfethu kwenzakalani kayi mfethu should my udlela lo mjito uyazibona nawe yabo ukuthi cela uze kadala Whoa. Precious. Ubani lo mjita? Ubani umjita? Phela awuthela khona la wena ubhizi senza kanjani manje situation mayiso? Yamkena lo mjita vele. Mfethu mask kwenzakalani mfethu? Kwenzakalani? Precious khuluma wayi ungakhuluma. Khuluma Precious kwenzakalani? Umuntu wakho nalo umuntu wakho.
No, angire naphi nako every day udolana labakhotsi ba high
mayo isikhathi sokuthola ngada isikhathi manje yebo into enjalo
nako ya high udolaletsa etsa di-DJ tsa high DJ
mayo mfethu wena uqale nini ukujola no Precious mfethu uqale nini ukujola no Precious
nah since after lockdown
after lockdown
njayami ayasi nasiphume ngaphandle dog asiphume ngaphandle mfethu Precious woza ngikhulume nawe sister uyabona manje outlook eliphetheke kabuhlungu kada ukuthi wena uyajola after lockdown
udula busy a DJ every day ke dula ke mmotsa gore ke bo ma Major League every day udula busy ka di Major League DJs ha ke ba tsebe batho bao
ngiyakuzwa maye uthini
every day ha ke tswa class hamphele lo mphela ha nthusa ka nix and yena udula le ka go mong
maye uthini ke wena
so ke tholetse boyfriend nthusang angire yena nthusa
uthina outlook awulufuni lana
ha ke sa mmatha
afuni ukulungisa izinto Exe mfethu Vetis woza kada sikhulume nawe mfethu manje uthi kwenzakalani yabona nawe lo mjita sekahethi kada and uma uzothi ufuna wena uthini ndaba
Precious, I did not sign up for this. I didn't even know you have a boyfriend. How can you do this actually? Like I'm actually surprised. Like I'm trying to be calm about everything.
Sure.
So can I just
come in.
Precious, why ungomtshelanga lo muntu?
Listen. No. Can I just go and breathe first and then get that one? I'll call you. I'll call you
You
down.
call her. Hamba naye. Vaya naye.
Maye shava mfethu.
Why?
Okay, vaya mfethu. Okay, vaya mfethu.
Okay, it's not ready to talk.
Sure.
It's boiling. No,
No.
it's too much.
No,
And
there's
the
nothing
precious,
to
I'll just
talk.
call her.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Yeah.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa mfethu ungavaya mfethu akuna stress.
Sure.
Mangabe ufuna ukuvaya ungavaya. Precious. Wena umisa kanjani ke ngoba phela nguwe uqale yonke lento le. Umisa kanjani?
Nna ke tsebe if some girl a batla ho utlwana le nna re ka nna re continue mara if a ngala o sharp ke tla
Ngisho nje?
yeah ke tla ba sharp nna
U right wena anything eyenzakalayo from no right awunandaba. Ngiyakuzwa. Manje mfethu uthini? Ni uthi u-ready ukulungisa izinto wena ufuna
ka
next.
nna re lokise ditaba
Ngiyavaya ngifuna nix.
Awufuni next.
Asambathi.
Awufuni next.
Uvetisi pho.
Sure.
Ngiyavaya.
Ngiyakuzwa ka lo mjito uthi akasakufuni mfethu lo mjito uyayala le ndaba akafuni ukulungisa
mara yena
next.
na sana hana una le ntho e etsahalang
Sure.
yena ona sa ipotse
Bekumele abone njani mfethu ngoba phela wena izinto zakho
why
uyifihlile
asabuile
mfethu.
nna abize di-camera
Mfethu uyazi ukuthi makhulume nami mfethu isipani siyashayeka yabo manje mina ngikubhacile ke manje Precious yazi ukuthini sizokubona Precious usale ube grand sharp Mfethu manje na ubonile ukuthi kwenzakaleni lawo manje uthini mfethu ngabe yajolana naye nikusizile
Ngisizile kakhulu.
sure
Ngitholile usizo lami.
yeah
Ngifise nawe ngisize nabanye abantu kanje.
ngiyakuzwa boy hayi thank you boza lami ngizokubona
Uthi
ne
umuntu amove on
Hayi,
nempilo
sure.
yakhe. No, ngizombamba lo vetisi vele.
yeah
Yeah,
ngiyakuzwa
it's fine.
mfethu athi ngikhulume naye Vetisi uva ekuse Vetisi mfethu athi ngikhulume nawe mfethu angitshele ndoda kwenzakalani mfethu ngiyafika la bantu bakhala ngawe kwenzakalani ndoda kwenzakalani
No, like it was just a matter of time, nje.
Sure.
I knew about the relationship, and it's only fair. We were friends before.
sure
We were friends before we started dating, and yeah. So I just allowed her to go through whatever they were going through.
sure
So I'll call her later and hear how she's doing.
ngiyakuzwa
Yeah.
ngiyakuzwa ke bafethu nani nizweleke uVetisi ukuthi yena kahle ile ndoda yama entanglements he knew ukuthi what was going on but still went on with it so bafethu uyajola 99 niyazi ke bafethu rooftop siyabona ukuthi ubani ubhizi nobani sazonibamba bafethu bouncer awusikhiphe la